There's a way you are putting in place for safety. Example. Therefore, I said before that, now I know very well that we are fully there. In that, the egg on the table, the possibility of the food falling and then hard, not of a granite. Then that but put in place safety measures are go meet the driver when you said a police are for an idea and now of the young accident. One fact that is not in place, but be able to put these in the right place, the right place. Send a barrier, anything to that. It means you are practicing what we call safety. Partiality asset. Alright. Now, let's look at types of safety. Types of safety. Types of safety. Types of safety.